Hello survivors, I've started playing in the international server and right now I've entered with friend red zone, forest zone, So because I want to do the tomb out here and I've taken all the stuff for the tomb. And my level is 37 out here. So I've played like more than, oh freaking god dude, there are 2 oak trees. I hope I had the strong axe, hatchet, not axe. Okay, so let's try to find the tomb out here. Okay, so I found the tomb, but I think there is someone inside, guys. So I have to be very careful. And if I see that guy, if he is very strong, I have to escape. Let's see. Let's see what happens out here. Okay. What the flip? Let's exit. Oh, okay. I can exit very easily. Here we go. Oh, what? I had escaped. What the flip? Okay, no worries, guys. Happens. So I'm heading back for the revenge, guys. I have to take the revenge because those guys were not geared at all, and they had like freaking crossbows. So these are the things that I'm going to use for the freaking revenge. Let's go with the flow, guys. Let's go. I hope I'll perform well. I hope so. Let's see what happens. So let's go. I have the game plan on. Okay, so I need to use the Berserk potion. Let's go. They are out here, still out here. Okay, here we go. I see them. Oh, they are, I think they are like, okay, here we go. I'm healing up right now. And I've taken both of them down. Very awesomeness. Let's loot ASAP and I need to get out of here. Okay, let's take that. Let's take that. Nice, nice, nice. Awesome. Nice. The giant helped me a lot, guys, out here. Oh, shoot, baby. Nice. Okay, so my game plan was freaking awesome. Let's go with the flow. What are the things that I do not need? Everything is useful out here, which I've taken. Okay, I'll keep the food. I'll take this. Rest everything. Oh, the support stuff. I need that. Okay, what should I drop aside? I do not need these boots. I'll take the support stuff, and they are going to come back for sure. Okay, let's go with the flow. I'm happy I killed them. And I'm not going to complete this tomb because they are definitely going to be back with some awesome gear. So I've kept everything at the base, guys, out here. So I'm going back towards the same tomb to see what kind of like gear will they bring, like armor and a weapon. If they do not bring like a proper armor or weapon, I'll try to kill them again, guys. So let's go with the flow. So they have oh yeah, they are back. That's only one guy out here. Oh, there are two people. No, 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 no. I'll just stand out here. They will kill him. I know it. Okay, so they have spotted him. I hope they will not spot me. Oh, they have not spotted me. That's a good thing. Oh, they have spotted me. No, let's run. Okay, so the gear, looking by the gear, they do not have too much or something. Should I try to kill them, guys? They do not have much, I would say. Perfecto. Do I have spells? Yes, I do have spells by killing them. So I just need one armor potion. That's it. No, not more than that. Okay, so let's go back. Let's try to kill them. Okay, so they are not out here. So I'll have my armor potion. Let's go with the flow. Did they kill the boss already? I don't think so. Okay, I guess they have killed the boss out here. No, they did not kill the boss. Okay. That's a surprising thing. Did they die out here? What the flip? Let me just check ASAP. No, that's my body. I do not want to get ambushed by those guys. Okay, so they are not out here. I think they have left. I think they had come for me specially. but they have learned the lesson and they are not staying out here. Hello, boys. Oh, the tomb is new. What the flip? What? Okay, I am very confused. What's happening? So, guys, I visited the tomb again and I completed the tomb with a random person, and these are the stuff that I got. I did not take the weapon, I gave it to him, but I took the armor, the wizard's hood, and these three things, guys. So, freaking awesome tomb, and there were like two guys who came, who came and looted us, but yeah, we went on aggressive and we took them down, but it was freaking awesome, guys. So, that's it. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and if you all did enjoy, do leave a like, and if you are new out here, guys, do subscribe. So yeah, I'll see you all next time. So still then, take care, peace.